In this video, we will learn how to switch window in Microsoft Word document. In this laptop, when I keep cursor on Word icon on taskbar, there are 4 Word documents open here. The first one C221-1, second one C221-2, and third one C222-C22, and fourth one. So these are the 4 Word document is open. Now we open switch window. So go to the view tab and look for the switch window option. Just click on this drop down arrow, and these are 4 Word documents open in my laptop, so you can switch is easily. The current Word document is C223. This one is showing the tick on this Word document. This is a current Word document. If you want to open the any second Word document, so just click on it and this Word document is open. Okay. Now if you want to switch again the different document, go to the view tab again, click on the switch windows and click on the third number C222. The C222 document is open. So this is a way you can switch window in Microsoft Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.